Tai Po Kau. We're going 10 km today.
Because Amila is too lazy for workout, so today I will bring him to here.
There are more than 100 trees, which is unique to this trail. Hello guys, welcome back to Amila Sam's YouTube channel. Today going for a short hike with my friend Debbie.
Hello.
So Debbie, tell me, you're taking me here. Where are we going?
We are in Tai Po Kau, and actually this reading is located in Tai Po. And because Amila is too lazy for workout, so today I will bring him to here. Just wanna to do some exercise. And here I actually have 4 routines, have different colors and levels. So it's quite suitable for different parties like families and friends or couples.
Alright.
So today we are walking the most longest one. It's called Yellow.
So the yellow trail is the toughest one in this route. It's 10 km and the other trails, actually if you go with the families, with the kids, maybe 3-4 kilometers,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, so
We'll keep walking and we hope we can finish around
within 3 hours?
3 or 4 hours.
Okay,
Yeah.
within 3 and 4 hours. This hike is in Tai Po. You need to take the minibus 28k or the
The bus 72, 728 or 738.
Alright guys, let's continue. Keep walking.
Oh my goodness.
This month you went for so many hikes, right?
Yes, so many.
Where have you been?
And yesterday I go to Hong Kong Island side and next month we will keep to hiking because now still the virus are very serious in Hong Kong and all the gym room is already closed, so we can't do any workout except hiking, I think. That's why I just stay with my friends every weekend when I get off, so I will walk around outside. That's it.
Yeah guys, that's the problem. Due to the pandemic, all the gym rooms are closed, so we can only do the outdoor workout, like going for a hike example. So I was being lazy during the winter at home most of the time, and then Debbie's taking me out. Can you hear the bird sound? This hike I really like because it's going under the trees. You're not hiking on the open area, so you don't really feel hot. And today weather is perfect. It's not hot or cold, so around 15-17 degrees I think. So it's really a nice weather for hiking. And this Tai Po Kau trail, it's really an easy one. It's kind of like, feel like you're walking in the flat land. So the difficulty is maybe I would say 3 out of 10. So you guys should try this if you really wanna run away from the or escape the busy city. It's a good hike. See? Oh, it's feel great. I really like this kind of trail, surrounded by, you see, trees, lots of trees, and listening to the birds. Beautiful. Wow, I feel so great. If you guys want to explore the rich biodiversity of forest, Tai Po Kau, this trail is the best. And the fresh air. What I read online while in the bus, that there are some unique trees, like more than 100 trees, which is unique to Hong Kong. Also can find it in this trail. Hey guys, surprise here! I found my friend, just suddenly bumped into her in the middle of the woods, inside the forest. Hey Debbie!
Hello!
Hello, Lei Ho!
Hello!
Debbie is one of my good friends. So how do you find the hike so far? Is it difficult or easy?
Oh, it's not so difficult. It's a very easy and relaxed one in Tai Po.
I came with Debbie, but now I can't find Debbie. I met another Debbie.
Here!
Oh,
Another Debbie!
Here!
another Debbie! What a surprise! I found two Debbies now.
Hi, nice to meet you, Debbie.
Hi! We're here!
Two Debbies. Guys, did you see that? That's the name tag for this tree. Like I said, there are more than 100 trees, which is unique to this trail. So they put the name tag and some description. It's not clear, and it's also in Chinese, so I can't read it well. So just wanted to show you guys. And if you are going on this route, or I mean anywhere in this trail, if you can read Chinese, just have a look. Alright?
Hello!
Oh.
Alright guys, almost ending the hike with two Debbies.
Yeah?
So Debbie, what is your energy level now?
I think it's still good because actually it's not very difficult walk
Right.
and only few steps. We use around 3 hours, right?
3.5 hours.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
So it took guys 3.5 hours, and maybe one bottle of water. 1 liter is enough, right?
More than enough. I didn't drink too much as today the weather actually is not really so hot.
Yep, weather is perfect.
But for summer, I think probably you need more.
Yeah. So alright guys, we are ending here, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
See you. Bye.
Bye. Oh, and don't forget to hit the like button and
Amila channel.
subscribe.
Yes.
Bye bye.